My graphics card likes to just shit the bed sometimes. Oops. Let's update this title. 18.1. All right, let's dive back into it. Want some ambient chill.
Listen, all this takes a lot of getting. Trying to think of the right order of operations here. Ugh. Selected action
realistically, those two are part of the same hook. Whatever. We're building our own fast right now. So we have to get our payment tally. And then on click E, instead of set selected payment, and that's not correct at all. This needs to be close modal. E. Next to pay E. I set my selected payment to payment tally. Should be alright. It's just per player. So I don't need a double here. Per player. Sending the action along this payment modal. On the payment modal, you select how you're going to pay for the action. And then when you hit pay, close the modal. Does anything? Call the fine action. Close the game. This is nice because we don't have to send a signal up the chain in order to. So realistically, it should work. Fingers crossed for this should work. Buying back, but I'm sure. Let's try it. up. Good sign, very good sign. Now I hit buy battery. I've already fixed the player mats to only show arrays of colors as opposed to these being reliant on numbers. Hit buy battery. Totally blow up. Okay, alright, we popped up the payment modal. That's good. I add 1 energy. Hey? Alright, it's not corrupted. Cannot read property. Okay. Not bad. Made progress. So, what's that mean? If I'm looking at the server side of things, because this is what blew up. Is payment invalid? Oh, I guess I gotta assign this as payment object. Why it's useful to have sort of standardized API definitions for all things. This exact same. So no action happened. So they didn't update anything. So I think an object is null. Console log here. When you're updated. So this is kind of buy battery. Set my selected action by battery. The action costs for 1. Then should continue here. some reason, my object isn't showing up in the file. Logic's wrong with this.
I dig my hole, you build a wall.
I need to say this isn't right, because this is
I
true.
dig my hole, you build a wall. One day that wall is gonna fall. Gonna build that city on a hill. Gonna build that city on a hill. Someday those tears are gonna spill. So build that wall and build it strong, 'cause we'll be there before too long. Gonna build that wall up to the sky. Gonna build that wall up to the sky.
So basically, this is the thing that I want to do, because I'm returning false here.
Someday your bird is gonna fly. Gonna build that wall until it's done.
So I want to say if.
Gonna build that wall until it's done. But now you got nowhere to run.
To arrays now, so I can just say if this done.
So build that wall and build it strong, 'cause we'll be there before too long.
What are you doing? one person watching, so.
What did I even say? Can you
I don't
remind me?
fucking know.
I
don't know.
We talked about volleyball. Nick got a client.
I don't know.
I'm so stressed. Don't listen to anything we said. I don't remember what I said, and now you know it.
Thanks, babe.
Is this good?
It's live. What am I doing? I am converting a board game that I made with some friends into a web app. Hey, Morocco, welcome. Long way from home. All this goes. This right here is the server. So most web apps run off the MVC model. So we've got the model outputs a view, and then the controller attempts to perform actions against the model. So this is my BoardGame server. What we're doing is a million ways to sell cash. So when it comes to web apps, like I said, there's a lot of different controllers. This is our control. Hit anything. Control moves from the first player to the second player, and I can perform actions I can request actions against the server, and if they're legal, the server computes and then updates the state by sending a socketed message to all the players. So I got this button right here. It says buy battery. If I click it, I can select how I'm paying for it. And then I hit pay, and this payment button over the code. It's this function, which is close modal. This right here, pop a window called modal. And then I request the client action. Client action is here, where I socket.emit. This is my communication with my server. This Backend, and then all the data set request action. So if I hit pay, I take the energy, I send it to the backend, and then I compute the action. These two energies right here. I have these two energies here. I hit buy battery. I send payment and the packet to the server. The server takes the packet, ingests it, and then updates my state. Look at that. A lot of factory for each other. JavaScript and Python. This is JavaScript/TypeScript. It's what I've worked for a couple startups over my days. NodeJS, TypeScript, React. My bad. Hope that wasn't all too garbled. What do you want to know about web apps? I got a couple minutes before I gotta bail here. If there's any questions that you want answered, I can try my best. It's a little annoying though. My payment is overpaying. So here, I have one R that I'm requesting to pay for. So pay for action is unfortunately taking up too much. So somewhere, delete payment from energy array. Delete payment from energy array is no such thing as a silly app. Create app for watching footballs. How so? Was it to like skirt regulation to get around ads? Just to pop up links or something? That's cool. Video content is a tough nut to crack for sure.
Take your hand. Now you'll never be lonely. Not when I'm home, sweet home. I see your star.
Yeah, like I said, it's a tough nut to crack. But keep at it though. I don't think AI is going to replace all of us just yet. What am I trying to do exactly? So the issue that I'm dealing with at the moment is in this game, these, they're called factories. They can be any energy. That goes for the factories and that goes for the batteries. So I hit end turn, all my factories refill. These don't have to be yellow. So I'm trying to process based on any color that is present in these factories. I want to be able to perform actions. So this buy battery button, it costs 1. And if I look over at the server here, what happens is when I perform the action, unfortunately, it takes all my energy to do something that should only cost 1. So, for some reason, this logic here is biting me in the ass. So the length is 1. This is 0. This is 0. I'm just going to put in a couple console logs here. One here. I guess I'm paying for this twice somehow. Battery? No. I'll just put a 1 here and 2 here. This will be 3. I'm gonna refresh the server. Client's fine. New invention. What would that be? Don't be like me and give up on your projects. That's the tough nut to crack, is wondering how long to commit to something. All right, so I'm gonna hit buy battery here. We're gonna look at the log for the server. We're gonna see how many times these numbers pop up, because that'll say realistically what's happening. There we go. So 1 happens once, but then 2, 3, 2, 3 happens, which means this is looping twice, unfortunately. It would be nice to do a sort of filter thing instead here. I could just do a break. It's not great. Energy array. So this should be, this length should be 1. It's a little ridiculous. So once again, I'm gonna restart the server. I'm gonna refresh page. Start the game. I'm gonna hit that same button, so we're gonna go back to the console. Buy battery. Pay. Player energy array is equal to 2. That's why. Okay. Do I need a channel with a... Oh my gosh. Is that 1 million followers? It's free for me? I appreciate it, but no thank you. I'm kind of having fun doing the climb here. Right, okay, so I confused the arrays. There's the player energy array and the payment energy array, which understandably why I'm mixing up those two things. But this break fixes that issue. So I'll keep the break, console log, and once the match hits, we're done. They say smart people are strange. It's worse. Well, hopefully I'm strange. And not the other one. Yar. Start the game. And now, on the match, this is cool. This is why I added this break statement in right here. I'm looping through all of my players' energy array. So, if you look on here, this series of energies is my player's energy array, which is equal to 2. So this loop here is happening twice, and I was deleting her energy in this energy array. Now I iterate through the payment, and then I iterate through the player's energy array. And if there's a match, I then break. So I don't have to keep looking through. And that means when I go to the app and I hit buy battery, and I pay for it and hit pay, well, bam, payment. Same thing, do it again, pay. Heck yeah. My turn. Sick. This is super cool. Oof. That's hype. Yes! Alright, another thing done. So we've created a paradigm here. I request an action and I have an associated cost with the action. Those go to the payment modal. I figure out how to pay for the actions via that modal. Then I hit pay. That sends the socket to the server, the socketed message to the server, and then we keep it moving. Too much work there, bro? It is what it is. This is software development right here. This is the nature of the beast. It's all of those little edge cases and seeing how all the intricate details mesh together. It's been my job for a couple of years now. If this is too much work for you, programming might not be for you. Ugh. Sick. Cool. These are disconnected. This anymore? Nice. Now we have purchasing batteries completed. That expands out to purchasing factories. And then we'll have to redo the rest of the cards. Cool. I think that covers it for this stream. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Appreciate it. I'm gonna go play some volleyball. Do a little trivia at a bar. Should be a good night. Best of luck out there with your coding chops. Be sure to like, subscribe, all that jazz. Come on back. Bring me some coding questions. I'm happy to answer them. And otherwise, have a great rest of your day. Peace.